Justice Jeffrey's regular channels here. How's everyone doing on this Friday, January 30th, 2026? We have a live operation weather we're going to be doing right now in a very cold way though. So everyone gets their notifications and watch this live in real time. This is at 10:04 p.m. Eastern Time in the U.S. This is live right now. All right, as I said, we have a live operation weather we're going to be doing right now. We have a cold weather advisory in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties. Hello, Terry. Welcome to the live stream on regular. For until 11 o'clock Saturday, till 11 o'clock tomorrow, as well as the 7 o'clock this evening until 11 o'clock tomorrow, till 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. They're saying what they're saying what very cold temperatures expecting as low as 22 degrees below zero. Impacts the cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbites and explode skin as little as 30 minutes. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, hat, and gloves. Again, this is a cold weather advisory in effect for Erie and Crawford not just Erie and Crawford, but for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, or on this Thursday or Friday, January the 30th, 2026, from the Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. We're still waiting on Paul's live. We're still waiting on. Oh, come on. We're still waiting on Paul's live stream on the StreamYard coming up in just a little bit. Yeah, we're still waiting on. I'm not doing subscribe mode tonight because I'm not going to be on for long anyway. Yeah, sorry about this. I didn't have the time to change it to subscribe mode, but I'm sorry. But we're not going to be on here for long anyway. No, we're still waiting on Paul's StreamYard to come on. Yeah, we're not gonna do subscribe mode tonight, but I will next time we come on here. Yeah, sorry, I forgot all about the change it to subscribe mode, but I ain't gonna have time for it because I gotta get back to Paul's live stream as soon as we're done reading the weather. They're still, they're still waiting on this thing. Jesus. Also, Paul's got a premiere coming up. Yep. 6 o'clock, yeah, tomorrow. Hello, hello, Hannah Banana. Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, I was laughing. Oops. No, I was. Yeah, I forgot to change it to subscribe mode, but I'll do that next. I'll do that probably. I got subscribe mode on the train channel today at the least, but that's it. But I just forgot to change it to subscribe mode tonight. I'm sorry. But like I said, we're not gonna be on this for long. We're just gonna the only thing I'm just gonna be doing here in a minute is to read the weather, and that's it for today. So I can get to Paul's, and also what's taking so long on him? I don't know. Oh, here we go. There. Thank you. Uh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What was so long? Yeah, I'm gonna real quick here check the weather forecasts for Titusville and the Saturday, as I mentioned, as well as the Erie and the Crawford County updates. I'm sorry, like I said, I'm gonna message Terry before I read the weather. Before I read the weather for today, because the only thing we're just gonna be doing, as I said, is to read the weather forecast, as I said, for Titusville and the city, as well as the Erie and the Crawford. We're just gonna be on here until like 10:30. Then I'm gonna end it for today, so I can go to Paul's live stream. Because I was about ready for his live StreamYard live anyway. Oh, sorry. Did Terry leave or what? Yeah, because Paul, we're wait. Yeah, we were waiting. Because we're waiting for Paul's live stream to come on, and it finally came. Because, like I said, this is not going to be a long. The only thing I'm just going to be doing here in a minute is to read the weather. Then that's it for tonight. Well, this other phone having some keyboard issues again. I know the smartphone's been having some keyboard issues. Yeah, I'm gonna message Terry, and then and then we'll read the weather, and then we'll read the weather, and then we'll read the weather forecasts for Titusville and the city, as well as the Erie and the Crawford County updates, and then I gotta get off of this so I can get to Paul's live stream. What was I gonna say? Oh, I was gonna message Terry. That's right. I'm going to get that out of the way here. All right, I think I'm about ready to go ahead now and read the weather forecast, as I mentioned, for Titusville and the Saturday, as well as the Erie and the Crawford weather updates. And then I gotta end the stream here for today. You want to get the train channel in the chat for a little bit before we read the weather. Yeah. This is not going to be, like I said, this is not going to be a long stream anyway. Yeah. All right, I'm going to go ahead now and read the weather forecasts. As I said, for Titusville and the Sandy, as well as the Erie and the Crawford County updates here for today. Here's their forecasts. We're only going to be reading, by the way, tonight and tomorrow's forecasts, and that's going to be it. So here's their forecast for tonight. They're saying bitterly cold with considerable cloudiness, low -1. Winds light and variable. Yep. For Sunday, cold with cloudy skies, high 16, winds west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Saturday night, cloudy, very cold, low +2. Not minus, but +2. And here's their forecast for Meadville tonight. They're saying bitterly cold with cloudy skies early, or partly cloudy skies it is early, then becoming giveaway cloudy skies late, low -2. For Saturday, considerable cloudiness, cold, high 15, winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Saturday night, cloudy, very cold, low 2, winds light and variable. Here's the forecast for Linesville tonight. They're saying tonight, bitterly cold with cloudy skies early, or partly cloudy skies early. Will give away cloudy skies late, low -7. Winds light and variable. Sorry. Winds what? Light and variable. Okay. Okay. For Saturday, bitterly or cloudy. We'll try this again. Cloudy skies, cold, high 15, winds winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Saturday night, cloudy, very cold, low -1. And then for Erie, where are you? Erie, here's the forecast for tonight. They're saying very overcast, very cold, low -5, winds west southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's pretty good. Well, that's right. Saturday, they're saying cloudy skies early, then becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. Cold, high 14. Winds north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Saturday night, very cold with cloudy skies, low 1. Winds light and variable. And finally, here's the Linesville forecast. For Northeast, it is forecast for tonight. They're saying tonight, overcast with a few flurries or snow showers possible. Low 6. Winds light and west southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Usually they have light and variable winds, but I had the winds mixed up. Sorry. So for Saturday, they're saying cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Cold, high 13, winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And lastly, Saturday night, cloudy, very cold, low -4. That's it. What's this? Who's this? Crix. How do you say that? Crick. No, how do you say that name? Whoever that was, welcome to the live stream. I can't pronounce that. Oh, there's Terry's message. Yeah, I had to message Terry before I had to read the weather. We're just gonna be on here, like I said, till like 10:30. Then I'm gonna end it for today because I think I got enough. Because I've been on for like an hour and a half of live today on the train channel, and then. By the way, we finished with 140 views on the train channel today. Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm trying to see who that is. Crix. Yeah. Hello, Crix. Hello, Crix. Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, I told you that Paul's StreamYard's been slow. Or Paul's StreamYard stage is getting full. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna wait, see if maybe like Randall or, as I said on the Train Channel stream, that maybe like Corey or maybe Randall, or next time Randall goes live, we'll try and join one of the StreamYard stages, but there's no word they're gonna put me or Eugene or anybody in the chat. That's why I'm staying in the chat with Miguel, Wesley Jordan, and Eugene. That's good. So, yeah. See who that is. And then we can close it, and then we can call the stream. Oh. Hello, Alex. Welcome to the live. Hello, Alex. Welcome to the live stream tonight on regular. Thanks for the 8 likes. I got at least got Terry in both streams though, regular and train channels tonight. Well, chat, so as it reaches the 30-minute mark, I'm going to end the live stream for tonight. Like I said, with my friend Paul's live stream tonight, I'm not gonna be on this for long. I gotta start doing the same way with Randall's and Corey's StreamYard live as well. Yeah. When are you gonna put the sleeping stream on the TV set after we're gonna lights out when this starts though. Okay. Yeah, we're not planning on streaming much longer tonight. We're just coming on here for the weather update, then that's it for tonight. We just got done live streaming for this week for Jeffrey the Train Channels, who's in the chat right now. Oh. How long you been with this? Soon I'm gonna be 3 years with Paul. Oh yeah. Yep. I know he's not gonna be in the group chats anymore for Facebook, but we got at least got some rail fanners come on here, including like Eugene and Terry and Peyton and someone else is there too. And sometimes we have Blaine Hooks put some stuff on here too. Yeah. 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 And also, as I mentioned a moment ago, that he has a premiere tomorrow night. Yep. Is Terry coming back? No, I'm gonna end the lot here in a minute. Here in a little bit. Here in a minute, I'm gonna end the live stream anyway. Yeah. Yeah, we won't be live streaming again after this until 8:30 on Monday, or unless if there's an Operation Weather comes on, um, I'll um I'll break into live streaming before anybody else comes on because we'll be live streaming the same time, just like what the train channel's been doing, though. This is not going to be a very long live stream tonight. So, so one other. Oh, by the way, also as we are closing yesterday's or today's live stream on the train channel, I gotta thank Terry and Glendale for stopping by Jeffrey the Train Channel's live part 2 closing stream tonight. They're the only two came on today because Jeremy wasn't going to be around tonight and wasn't going to be around here tonight, and I didn't think Jeremy wasn't going to be around tonight for this live stream anyway. This stream or this. But regular shut could have been live streaming about 12:30 for that weather update instead of this. Yeah. So let's see who's this coming on, and I'm gonna go for today. Dino. Yeah. Hello, Dino. Welcome into the live stream tonight. We just got it. We just have a weather update here. In case hasn't tuned in, we have a cold weather advisory in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until early tomorrow morning. You're from Columbus, Ohio. I'm already into the double or triple digits in both channels right now, regular and train channels. The ones we did that both channels had to stream today because we had to close for the second part, and then we have a weather update here tonight. It came in late last night, and then we're gonna put it on there here tonight, right here on regular. So Columbus, Ohio. Yeah, I don't like I said, I'm thinking here about 10:40 ish. I'm gonna end this stream right here so I can, because I have a Rail Fender's live streaming right now, and his name is Paul the Rail Fender. before we go there, I want to add one other thing before we end the live. I appreciate having Tyrese, Jeremy, and Terry and Glendale for stopping by Jeffrey the Train Channels and Jeffrey's regular channels live streams this week between the trains, between live trains and openings and closing streams for this week, as well as the live weather updates on regular for being coming on here as well. So I appreciate it, each and every rail vendor's coming on here tonight for this week, though. Yeah. Yep. And hope, yeah, because we will be back. Sorry. We're not going to be live streaming again, as I said, until Monday at 8:30 on the train channel for Tuesday's rail vending day with me and my newest caseworker, Kimberly. So. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to have to go ahead and end the live stream for tonight for Jeffrey's regular channels pages on YouTube, and thanks for stopping by Jeffrey's regular channels live weather update on YouTube. Again, we have a cold weather advisory in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. They already start the advisory about almost 3 hours ago tonight. It's supposed to call for about wind chills as low as minus 22 degrees through tonight into tomorrow morning, though. So thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channels live weather update on YouTube. Everybody else, have a good night and have a good weekend. And we'll be back on next Monday at 8:30 on the train channel for Tuesday's rail fanning day. Talk to you then. Good night, everybody, and stay warm.